Hi, welcome back. My Road 67. This is G-Man, and I'm trying to get the camera set up on the stand here. There we go. And what I got here, I just got it in. Well, it actually came in yesterday. Already started unboxing it. Is a broken Marx water tower. And as you can see, it's in two parts. It is missing the ladder that comes off of this section, and I may or may not have one for it or something that we can use, but we'll see. And I thought I would use this piece of straw in the top and create a light effect for it. This is supposed to be a bubbling water tower, I believe, and of course it does not have the light unit that goes down in it to do that. So what I thought I would do, I'm going to show you in a minute how I'm going to fix that. It won't be a bubbling tower, but hopefully it will be lighted and give you the same effect. Also, this came with two other items. It came with a Marx railroad crossing light, and it's missing the globe on it. And of course an old Marx tinder shell, which I have several of these. But the good thing is this is the tin one, and the steel, what we call the tin litho, and that's great because I'll find some use for this at some time. Okay, now all of this, all three of these things, I got for $1.29. Yeah, $1.29 on eBay. I was the only one that bid on it, and no one else bid because it was broken and it was just junk. And as Ben and I always say, don't overlook the junk, because everything that's somebody else's junk might be your treasure. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to attempt to put this together. I'm not going to be able to complete it all in this video, as I don't have enough time today. But I'm going to show you what I'm planning on doing. Planning on taking this and taking a straw. Let's see if I can find one. And I might have to use two straws. Get a couple. And I keep straws. Straws come in handy for many different things. Many different purposes. Especially when you're modeling a layout or you're building something else. They can work as insulators. They just come in handy. But anyway, I'm going to take a straw, go down in here, and I'm going to take another straw, because one straw is not long enough. Place it inside the other one. Now, this one already has two straws in it. Didn't realize that. Place it inside the other one. I like the black straws better. Like that. And then I had bought a bunch of these light emitting diodes that I never had an opportunity to try yet. And I got them on eBay. and I bought several different types. And I forgot about them until today. And I believe these are blinking red lights. And so that's actually perfect for what I need for the top of this tower. And so they have 2 pins in them. Let me get one out so I can show you. And so you'll use 2 wires, a hot wire and a negative wire, one on each side of the pin. You'll come down through the top of this with the wires. I'm probably going to have to make some kind of resting point for this to sit on. That hole is broken out of there and it's a little bit big. But you'll come out with these 2 wires, you'll go down through the water tower itself, you come out down here in the bottom and put those wires down through the straws. And out through the bottom. Now see, there's one hole here, and I'm probably going to have to make it just a little bit larger because my wire is just a little larger than that hole. And I'll have to drill another hole in the bottom of here so that I can bring both wires through. And then I'll glue or tape the wire down to the platform and bring it out either side. And then you hook it to your track or to your accessory clip, whichever you're using. And when your power's on, the tower will light up. At least that's the plan. So, like I said, I'm not going to have an opportunity today or right now, right this minute, to go ahead and put this together. To really show you how it's going to go together, but I am going to put it together later on today, and we'll come back and we'll do a review on it and show you what we've come up with and how it worked out. Alright, that's all I have for you today. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later. Happy rails to you. Bye-bye.